Gone but not forgotten. We will never forget your birth date. We will never forget you. We will still miss and love you so very much until we meet again. Happy birthday, Negi sir. Happy birthday to the best person in the world. You have taught us all about life. The values that you instill within us stays with us forever and always remind us of the pure soul you were. As today is the day to honor you, we want you to know that we will never forget you. We will always be indebted to you for your love. He was a great person, a great coach, a great human being, but first of all, he was our hero. Those we love don't go away. They always stay behind us. Unseen, unheard, but always near. Still missed, still loved, and very dear. As a boxer, his philosophy was, if I want to win, I cannot look into the opponent's eye, because if I do and see fear in them, then I would not be able to hit him. To become self-reliant, what is required is passion, dedication, commitment, and the outcome is This is the story of the chairperson of Silver Oak School, Mr. Surendra Singh Negi. The story of the son of Lakshman Singh Negi and Tarkeshwari Devi. The story of a lad who didn't support his cousin when he was making fun of poor. The story of a brave man who enrolled himself in army and was ready to fight for the nation. The story of a person who helped cancer patient when everyone denied. This is the story of the person who got burnt while protecting his soldier. This is the story of a simple soldier with the heart of gold. Mr. Surendra Singh Negi, son of Lakshman Singh Negi and Tarkeshwari Devi, was born in Garhwali family in Mainpuri district of Uttar Pradesh. He was born on December 4, 1937, and every year this day is celebrated as No Punishment Day in Silver Oak School. He did his schooling from the prestigious St. George's College, Mussoorie. He was then selected in National Defence Academy, Pune. Then he joined the Garhwal Rifles. He always wanted to be with his Garhwali family. After 3 years, he joined Indian Military Academy, Dehradun. He was fondly called Bull Negi because it was impossible to defeat him in boxing ring. In order to maintain peace and harmony, he was posted in Nefa, Arunachal Pradesh in 1960. He got married with a beautiful lady, Mrs. Yashoda Negi, in the year 1970. And then they gave birth to 2 beautiful daughters. When Bangladesh Liberation War broke out in 1971, he was all set to protect his country. During the Indo-Bangladesh War in the year 1971, after the ceasefire was declared, it was brought to the Negi Sir's notice that some loot was going on. To save his men, Sir rushed in his army vehicle. The driver was reluctant as the road was laden with anti-tank mines. Sir, forgetting everything, drove the vehicle himself, but unfortunately the vehicle ran over the mine and the blast happened. Here again, though himself injured, Sir decided to save the soldiers and the driver who were present with him in the back seat of the vehicle. While saving them, he got badly burnt. Even the fire and the burns did not break his spirit, as he was supposed to be hospitalized for next 10 months but refused to do so. Because by now the Western Front was aflame, he did not wish to miss the action. After his last posting as SSO Alwar, Major and Mrs. SS Negi decided to settle down there itself. Major SS Negi retired early from the army in 1982. Lively and full of enthusiasm, Major Negi was a storehouse of ideas for us youngsters to practically put to the ground. It was always a heartwarming feeling being in his company, as it gave us a sense of belonging that made us work to our full potential. In order to fulfill the wish of his beloved wife, he decided to establish a school. He founded Silver Oak School on 4th February 1986. Mrs. Yashoda Negi, being a qualified educationist herself, was a great support to Major S.S. Negi as the duo continued to strive and add brick by brick to the school's growth. The school received its approval for CBSE 10th boards on 14th Feb 2006 and the final CBSE 12th board on 1st April 2011. Having come a long way, today the school with 2200 students on its rolls is considered amongst the best in the 12th CBSE board in the city of Palan. Though Mr. Suren Singh Negi, his contribution to the society by establishing Silver Oak School stands as a lifetime achievement and deserves a salute from all of us.